Hi everyone, this is Magenta Pixie speaking. I did an interview quite a while ago, actually, a couple of interviews with a guy called Jeff Daugherty. He has a YouTube channel and I do consider him a friend. And I did an interview with him last year, possibly even the year before, with Laura Eisenhower and Jeffrey Daugherty. It was Jeff that introduced me to Laura, so that was lovely meeting her. And she remains a dear friend, and so is he. So last night, he uploaded a video here on YouTube, and it's called Magenta Pixie, My Friend, Pure Religion Undefiled. I would like to publicly thank him for doing this video. I had no idea he was going to do it, but it's really helped me to stand strong against a distorted masculine attack against me and my work. Jeff Daugherty stood up and acted as a shield or a protector on a psychic level, which is the aligned sacred masculine Lightwarrior stance, and I thank him for that. Jeff explains so much in this video about the situation and explains it so well. So if you're interested, then please do go and watch it. It's called Magenta Pixie, My Friend, Pure Religion Undefiled. Maybe even think about subscribing to his channel. He does upload some really interesting material, and I don't think he's got enough subscribers really for the work that he does and the amount of material he's putting out. About this situation, I do have some further comments to make, and I have made them. I've just recorded a video. Now, this isn't to focus on what is negative. It's to draw attention to the fact that the negative can be and is being transmuted into the positive. New creation is always positive, for the negative doesn't create anything. It cannot. The negative steals from others, uses others, and takes their energy. The video I've just recorded will be hosted on my 3 platforms. You know where they are, but links will be provided in the description box, along with a link to Jeffrey Daugherty's excellent video. Thank you for listening. See you all soon. Bye.